All right, we have a hot and cold washer valve. Of course, the red means hot and the cold is blue. And what's happening here is when I open the valve, let me get it open first. See how the water drips? Hang on, let me get this tag on it. You see how it's dripping there? And what that is the packing valve, and that's this valve right here on the stem, or the stem valve it's called. Okay, now I'm going to turn that back off again so we don't have a whole lot of water here. And basically all we have to do with that is tighten this nut. So I'm going to reach over here with my pliers and give this just a little bit of tightening. Now when you tighten this, of course, it gets a little harder to open, but we hopefully can stop that leak. So let's take a look and see if that job is taking care of itself. Okay, now we still have a little bit of leaking. You see the water? Now that it's open all the way, I'm going to tighten it again and see if we can stop that leak. And you just got to be careful. Again, I always wipe to make sure, but I think just give that another little turn here. There. Now, let me just use this rag in here. As you can see, we're dry as a bone. And that again is the stem valve or the packing valve. And when we open and close that valve, it has a gasket in there that keeps that water from running out. So now we've stopped the water from running out, and the job is finished. A little 15-second job.